It's time for a vintage flea at Margie's Farm and Garden. I'm with Kathy, and Kathy, it's so exciting to have the fall vintage flea again.
Oh my gosh, it's our 6th year. It would have been our 7th, but you know, we took a little hiatus last year, so super happy to be back.
And I bet there's a lot of vendors, right?
Yes, so we have over 70 booths of antique, vintage, repurposed, handcrafted. We have just about anything you need for your holiday shopping.
And it's great because it's all local people with local craftsmen.
Yeah, and what year is it more important this year than to really support your local businesses, not try to get something that's off in a ship, you know, somewhere out in the ocean or in the ocean.
Right.
Yeah.
And I love that Margie has things here too. She still has houseplants, which is great.
Yeah, she's really branched out. So yeah, super
definitely.
Excited that we've got this big spot here.
Right. And then what about food? Because it's always nice to like take your time and shop, and then you could eat and then stay some longer time.
You kind of really have to, right? Yeah. You really got to power up for the shopping. So we've got breakfast and lunch vendors. We've got some great hot food, so you can sit down and have a meal, and then a lot of great snacks. Of course, we've got the kettle corn, because you know we always got to have kettle corn. And then also, you know, we've got the adult beverages too.
Oh,
so you know,
excellent.
while you're having your lunch, you can always have a mimosa or a Bloody Mary.
So Kathy, when people see a vintage flea, they think it's just going to be like vintage things or antiques, but it's more than that.
Yeah, when we started out, I started with the tagline: antique, vintage, repurposed, handcrafted, and that's really been the core of our groups here. And so the vendors come; they're antique and vintage collectors and dealers as well. But the repurposed, where they take something old and give it whole new life, or the handcrafted, we have some great artisans, metal workers, sewing. We have a quilter that's coming, that's been here. And then this year, pretty exciting that we've added in boutiques as well. So we've got like 3 different boutique vendors. So you can even decorate yourself.
Excellent. And so what are the time frames?
It's we started at 9 o'clock this morning and we go until 4, and then we're gone until next June.
But you have to finish watching Garden Time today and then get in the car, come on down here, because it's so much fun, and there's always surprises of all kinds of things to get for holiday shopping or for holiday decorating. So please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their Facebook page. You can see all that, but really get in the car and come down and have a great day. Yes. Kathy, have a fun one.
Yeah, thank you so much.